What's that end called? Vertex, not foci. Okay, foci she already told us. That's C. Okay, so the distance from the center to the focus is C. The distance from the center to the vertex is A. So depending on what your ratio looks like, okay, you're going to be either like a circle or you're going to be like a skinny ellipse. Okay? Right? So the red one should really start looking more like a circle because E is going towards 0. And when E is going towards 0, it means that the center and the focus are like one. Okay? They cohabit. Okay? They cohabit. All right? You guys with me on that? Okay? All right? You might want to take a look at the pictures in the book because they do a better job of showing what's happening to the ellipses as the eccentricity changes. All right? Ready for an example now? Yeah? Okay. I'll start going through the instructions, okay? So let me go ahead and put the x's down. Okay? This is x. This is y. Okay? And then you're going to put your vertices down. So I'm going to make this 2 units long. So if I give you graph paper, make sure you've got a scale on it. Okay? It's 2 units down. And so my vertex here and my vertex there. Okay? And my foci here and here. F2. Okay? You guys with me on that? Yeah. So this should tell you which way the ellipse is oriented. Horizontal or vertical? Horizontal. Okay? Which means the equation you shall use is the A is going to go underneath what? Under what? Under the X thingy. So A is going to be there, B is going to be there, and this side is always a 1. Okay? And where's the center at? And if you look at this picture here, you can tell where the center is going to be. At the origin, so it's going to be x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared. You guys with me on that? Yeah. All right. And remember, a is the distance from the center to Shannon. What? A is the distance from the center to the vertex. So this distance here is equal to a. That'd be 6. Is everybody there? Right? Right? Because it's 3 boxes. Each box is 2 units. So it's going to be x squared over 36. Okay? So I need to find b. So in order to find b, I'm going to use this equation. A squared minus b squared. Okay? And c, Anna, is the distance between the center and the focus, and that distance from the picture is this distance here. That's 2. It's 1 box. Okay? So then this is 4. This is 36. So tell me what b squared is. Well, b squared is 32, not b. b squared is 32. So then this would be y squared over 32 equals 1. Is everybody with me on that? And then let me explain to you physically what b represents, okay? b represents the thickness of the ellipse in the other direction, called the minor axis. So b is going to be equal to root 32, which is 4 root 2. And 4 root 2 is roughly 5.6, 5.56. Root 2 is 1.4142. Yeah. Okay, so 1.4142 times 4 be about 5.6, roughly. Yeah. So the other end of the ellipse is going to be 2, 4, and it's going to be about here. So your ellipse looks like this. Yeah, you have to plot b, but yeah, that's how you're going to know whether the ellipse is going like that or it's going like this. How else would you know, right? You wouldn't know. You get the idea, right? And I'm giving you graph paper, so it's got to be some sense of preciseness at least in there. Is everybody okay on this problem? Shannon, you look kind of aghast.
How did you find the last points to make the circle?
Oh, you mean like these points or this one here? That's B from the center.
Oh, okay.
That's B. This is called a semi-minor axis here. Okay, and the other way, black or blue, this way here, that's the semi-major axis. All right, you guys okay on this? Yeah? Okay. No. Are you kidding me? Is that ever it? Okay, one nice big long problem for you guys to try your hands on. Always, always. Let me get you started on this and then you guys will finish it, okay? So, what you want to do is you want to really combine this guy and pull a 9 out of there because you're going to be completing the square. So, you're going to write this as 9. X squared plus 36x, and then you're going to put some stuff there, and you're going to pull a 4 out of the other guy. So you're going to pull a 4 out of this and this. So that's going to be plus 4, and that's going to be y squared minus 6y, and you're going to add something there. Hang on, okay? And then you're going to take the 36 and move it over to the other side, okay? And you're going to complete the square and then finish the story. Ryan, question?
So, do you put y on the other side?
No, no. Didn't your equation have x squared plus y squared on one side? Always? And always a 1 on the other side. Yes. X squared plus 4. Oh, my bad. This guy here. Thank you. All right, so you guys finish this off, please. Okay, Anna, what were you saying? Yeah. I try to do that one. If I hide that screen, it shuts down. It stops recording the camera. Yeah, whatever works for you. Okay, so you guys got to be paying attention. Ferris